All right, good morning, class. Good morning from Tuesday. I believe you guys are doing great. So today we need to proceed with a physics lesson on color filters. So last week we were looking at I don't know, I mean before this lesson, we once looked at absorption and reflection of colors. On surfaces, and we saw that a blue surface will reflect back blue but absorb all other colors in the light. We saw that. Now, today we'll look at color filters. So maybe first things first, let us define what it means by color filter. So a filter is a translucent material that allows some colored light rays to pass through while blocking other colors. That's what it does. Okay, so it will make a decision itself to say that I will allow these rays to pass through according to their colors, and I will block these other ones. Okay. Would you say it is racist? Oh yeah, it depends on the colors it is blocking. Alright, okay, let's move on to see examples of filters. Now we have a blue filter. So the filter is this vertical line going upwards. That's the assumption. That's on the presentation. We're presenting a filter with a line. Now, as you can see, that line, you have about 1, 2, 3, 4 colors coming from the other side. So I can see with my eyes that we have a green color, then a blue color, then red, then yellow. Now, can you see what has happened to all the other colors? Like the green color, you see? It came all the way, but it got blocked. Okay, it got blocked. If you look at the blue color, it came all the way, and it passed through. If you look at the other color, red, it came all the way, but it got blocked. And if you see the yellow color, it came all the way and passed through. So that's what happens with a blue filter. See, it will block all other colors. It will allow only blue color to pass through. Okay, that's a blue filter. So it will just allow only the blue color to pass through while blocking all the other colors. That's a blue filter, and the blue filter has a color blue in appearance. It's a plastic translucent object that has a blue color on it. Okay, let's see other examples of filters. Then we have a green filter. Who can guess what will happen to the green filter? Yes, your guess was right. It will allow green colored light rays only to pass through, and it will block all the other colors. So here is a filter. Then you have blue color on top. You see what happened to the blue color? It came all the way, but upon reaching the filter, it got blocked. Do you see what happened to the green color? It came all the way, and it passed through the filter, all the way to the other side. And if you look at the red color, it came all the way, but got blocked. Okay, because it's red, it's not green. You see what happened to the yellow color? It came all the way and got blocked as well. That's what happens with a green filter. Then we have a red filter. Okay, so for a red filter, your guess is right as well. You know what it does this time we want to see what happens when white light passes through these filters. You do know that in white light you have about 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So you have 7 colors. Meaning to say, when white light is shining through a filter, it will be as if the filter is receiving 7 colors. And then it will decide which ones to block and which one to let pass through. Now, when white light shines on red filter, all the other 6 colors are blocked, but only red passes through. So all the other 6 colors, okay, in this case orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These colors are blocked, but only red passes through, as you can see. Okay, so white light coming all the way, all right, and the white light turns to red. It turns to red because all the other turns to red because all the other colors are blocked, but only red is allowed to pass through. That is why when you have bulbs at home which have a red casing outside, they will seem red. That is why when you have bulbs at home which have a green casing outside, they will seem green, you see? If you've ever bought those colored lights. Inside there's white light produced, but on the casing is where the colors are filtered to the color of the casing. It can be red, green, blue, yellow, whatever it is. Another example whereby white light comes through but changes to a different light is some torches, you know, a torch. So you can have a white light inside, but if the color of the casing outside is let's say red, it will be red. It will produce red. See. Now we have this example. It says white light is shown through a yellow filter. See, that's the key word, yellow filter. Some 6 colored light rays from the white light are blocked while only one color proceeds through. Question 1. State the names of the 6 colored light rays blocked. Number 2. State the color that proceeds through the yellow filter. Alright. Now let us look at some practical examples of color filters. We have car back panels. Now this is a back panel of a VW Tiguan 2.0 TSI, I think from 2009. As you can see that you have this transparent part. You know, it's translucent, but since it's clear, let's just call it transparent. There's a bulb inside there, and this bulb, when it lights with a white light, you see the white light. That's in the inside, as you can see. But on the lining, there's a red filter there, and behind the red filter, you have white light bulbs. Okay. And what happens is that with these ones, white light will be